In this video, I am going to talk about Sitemap by BestWebSoft plugin. It has 30,000 plus active installations as of now. Hi, my name is Pankaj Solanki and I am a WordPress developer from Kreativo Pro team. Let's install this plugin. This is the plugin. Let's activate it. Okay, it is giving me a message. I can directly go to settings here. There are a lot of other sitemap plugins, but what makes this plugin different is we can add custom links in the sitemap. So very interesting. Let's check the settings first. First of them is robots.txt. So for example, if I show you this is the Kreativo Pro robots.txt file. So the sitemap link should be there in the robots.txt file. So that's what this is saying. So I should enable this option. Sitemap file name is a pro feature. We don't need it anyways. So canonical text should be disabled. You can use media sitemap if you want images to show up in the sitemap. It's okay. Let's use full quality images. I generally choose post and pages only because categories, tags are not that much important anyways. URL limit should be 10,000. You can directly connect Google Search Console here. You can read the instructions, very clear instructions with screenshots. This is not needed, just showing you the settings available. Then we can go to structure. Sitemap should include post and pages only. Don't include landing pages or other templates. In miscellaneous settings, we can totally ignore these. And since I don't have pro version, I cannot use this. So let's save changes. Let's see our sitemap. So this is the sitemap, okay. It is actually a file in the root folder. And I can also choose to update this file every day, I think. Let's now move on to custom links. In the miscellaneous settings, there is an option to enable pro option. I can directly use this and select save. Now let's go to custom links. It has enabled this, but I'll have to upgrade to pro version to add the sitemap links. What this does is, if a site has pages which are not in WordPress, we can add them here. Very useful feature. Most sitemap plugins do not give this option. This one does. All you have to do is copy this sitemap and add it in your Google Search Console. So this is how you use this plugin. Let's see what the Pro plugin covers. It covers the change of file name. We can change file name from sitemap to something else. This is one feature. Another one is we can add custom links in our sitemaps. So two useful features. This is why this plugin is different. Now that the tutorial is over, I have a free bonus for you. You can submit your website here and get our 75-point full website audit report. Our developers create this report manually. We check your website for speed, security, SEO, conversion, coding and design related issues. Once found, you can fix those issues to improve your SEO, build trust, get more traffic and convert them into paying customers. Thank you and I'll see you in my next video.